What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Awa, and welcome back to a very special episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Today, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with my main man, Charlie, from Cooking Secrets for Men. You know, we've done some collaborations before. We did the New Beers Day collab where Charlie made a shrimp dish with some Leinenkugel Summer Shandy, and I just got to sit back and drink some, so that was lovely. We also did the Twisted Burger collab where I made a burger from my state and drank a beer from his state, and vice versa for him. Wonderful times, baby. So, we're going to have another one today when we make some poke bowls. Now, the added twist to Charlie's video, which I'm going to put the link to that down in my description, he has decided that he is going to try out putting some what he calls pop culture references in his videos because he likes it when I do it in mine. He thinks it's funny. So I really respect that from him, and I'm going to do something in return for him. Do you know that Charlie's website, CookingSecretsForMen.com, is ranked above old Alton Brown's in the top 30 men's cooking websites in the world, baby? So I just got one thing to say, and I'm going to say this because Charlie is an excellent professional chef. And he's very, he's a kind man, he's very nice, and I don't think that he would do what I'm about to do, so I'm going to do it for him. Alton Brown, kiss my ass, you rotten son of a bitch, because you ain't got shit on King Charles. Now, without further ado, I better hurry up because Charlie probably going to call me. He's like, so let's go ahead and poke, shall we? Yeah. Yeah. That's right, baby. The poke bowl. And I ain't talking about no Pokemon Charmander. I'm talking about that good. That stuff that's going to make you want to sing like Israel Kamaka Vivo Le. So, ooh, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, looks like you've already got yours made. What's the matter? Couldn't wait on us? Nope, you know me. Ain't got time for that shit. So, I had to go ahead and make mine right now. But I will tell you how to make yours. And I really had never done this before. I'm kind of like Joe Dirt on his new job. So, but Charlie kind of encouraged me to try it out. And traditionally, the poke bowl, it's a Hawaiian thing, like Don Ho. It is something that you make, and it's kind of a clean little dish. And it's traditionally made with raw fish. Like sushi, tuna, salmon, things like that. But you know me, baby. I love that yard bird, and I'm gonna make it with that, with a little special sauce, and I'll show you about that in a minute. So, first thing that you gotta do, get you some chicken, at least if you're doing it my way. Now, like I said, there's many ways to do this, and I think that's the great thing about it is you can honestly make a poke bowl any way you want as long as you adhere to some certain rules. And like I said, watch Charlie's video for that because I'm kind of going my own way, baby. So, first thing that I did, I got that chicken chicken breast, because I want that thick like Nicki Minaj. So, got the thick cut of meat in there. Go ahead and put your chicken breast down in the pan, let them cook, and put just a tad bit of salt on them. Not too much, because you want that good salty flavor, but not a whole lot, because that sauce is going to have a lot of power to it, like the Power Glove, like the old Nintendo. So, go ahead and put your chicken in the pan, put some salt on there, flip it over, do it again. And once it gets a good caramelized color to it, I want you to take it out and we're going to chunk it up. Don't shred it, but you want some pretty big slices in there, sir. Good stuff. So, once you get that done, go ahead and put that chicken back in said pan. Turn it down to simmer, just a little sizzle. And then we're going to make our sauce. And this sauce that I'm making today, it's actually something that my grandma used to make. My dad was telling me about this the other week, and I thought, it kind of goes perfectly with this little dish that we got. What it is some orange marmalade and a little bit of my favorite, Sweet Baby Ray's. So, equal parts of both. I went heavy on both. You can go as heavy or as light as you want. It's up to you. You're going to eat it, so I don't care. So, we put that on there, put it back in there, let it simmer just a little bit. Don't burn the bottom, baby. Just let it do its thing. So, once you get that done, then you go ahead and slice you up some cucumber. And like I said, this is just my way, but a lot of the recipes that I've seen for the old poke have that cucumber because you want some sweet, you want some savory, you want some fresh, you want some rice, and you want some crunch. And that's what makes a delicious brunch, lunch, or dinner with the poke. So I cut up some cucumber. I also got me a can of these pineapple. And you know, you really should go fresh, but you know me, I got time for that shit. So got the old Dole, Bob Dole, and we're on our way. Now, the rice, there again. I ain't got time for that shit. So I went ahead and got the old Ben's Original Basmati. And I don't know what the hell Basmati was. They were out of original. Maybe Charlie can tell me what the hell Basmati is. And I guess I'm about to find out for myself. So, you know, really, in all actuality, you should make your own rice fresh. It's going to taste better. It's going to be better. But, you know me. Ooh, so, Basmati rice, pineapple, cucumber, orange chicken, and we're ready to roll. Now, we're ready to assemble, which I already have, but I will tell you how I did it, sir. I'll reveal my magic trick like the masked magician. So, we are going to go ahead and put rice in one corner, and you're already saying to yourself, like, oh, I thought this was a poke bowl, man. What's with the plate? Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm doing a little plumbing work, and I couldn't find a bowl to save my life, man. So, plate it has to be. But the flavor is going to be the same. It's going to be beautiful. So, put a little rice in one corner. Take some chicken, put it in the other. Then, we're going to add a little cucumber. And finally, how about some of that pineapple? Because why not? Why ask why? And now, I'm going to stand back, I'm going to take a side, and I'm going to take a big old beautiful Hawaiian festive bite of this poke bowl tonight. Ooh, yeah, mango too. Alright, baby, the time has come. The poke bowl is done. And I'm having the first delicate little bite for myself. So, Charlie, thank you for sharing this idea with me. This is something I probably would have never made. But now I have, in a way. I want to get a little bit of everything on there. So I think I'll start with some pineapples. A little cucumber. Little piece of chicken on there, and then I'll drag it through the rice. There it is. Y'all see that drip? A flavor explosion. And now I got the drip like the cool kids say. And man, that's a cool recipe. You know, whoa. That cucumber in there with that orange chicken. You got that kind of spice, a lot of fruit, and that clean, cool, crisp cucumber. And the pineapple just kind of accents it, baby. And of course the rice does its job. It's the drummer in the band. It's keeping that backbeat and making everything groovy, baby. And I want to thank all of you groovy people for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other YouTube videos right here on my YouTube channel. I also want to say a big thank you to Charlie over at Cooking Secrets for Men. I'm going to put the link to his channel and his video where he does his own poke bowl, which I'm sure is marvelous, on his channel. So, y'all watch that. Y'all have a good night. Enjoy that bowl. Enjoy that beer. Enjoy yourself. And I will see you next time. Pardon me.